Welcome back to BBB's 5-Minute English, where we talk about big ideas in simple English. I'm Luis.
And I'm Emmy. Today, we have a very interesting topic. We're going to talk about something simple but powerful, walking. Specifically, did you know that 7,000 steps a day can reduce the risk of depression?
Yes, it sounds simple, but science shows that getting regular exercise can have a big impact on mental health. In fact, recent studies suggest that walking just 7,000 steps every day is enough to reduce the risk of depression. But why?
Walking helps your brain release chemicals that make you feel good. These are called endorphins. They are like little happiness chemicals that help you feel more positive and less stressed. And the best part? You don't need to run or do very hard exercise to get these benefits. Walking is easy and free.
Exactly. In fact, a study from the American Journal of Preventive Medicine found that walking 7,000 steps every day can help lower the chance of getting depression. And it's not just about physical health, it's also about mental health.
That's right. When we walk, we also give our brains a break from the daily stresses of work, school, or life in general. Walking can help clear your mind and improve your mood.
Now, here's a question for you: do you think walking can help reduce depression? Let us know in the comments.
Walking increases the blood flow to your brain, which improves your focus and energy. And when you walk outside, it's even better.
Absolutely. Walking outside in nature can be very calming. It's called ecotherapy, the idea that being outside in green spaces can help your mental health. The fresh air, the sunshine, and the trees all have a positive effect on your mind.
And you don't have to walk 7,000 steps in one go. You can break it up during the day, walk to the store, take a quick break at work, or go for a walk after dinner. The more you move, the better you'll feel.
It's also important to mention that walking alone can't solve everything. You also need to make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and spending time with others. But walking is a great start, and it can really help with your mental well-being.
Now, let's talk about two important words we mentioned today. First, endorphins. Endorphins are chemicals your brain makes when you exercise. They help you feel happy and reduce pain. Example 1, after a long walk, I felt a wave of endorphins, and my mood improved. Example 2, endorphins can help you feel less stressed.
The second word is ecotherapy. Ecotherapy is when nature helps your mind. It means that being outside in nature can reduce stress and make you feel better. Example 1, walking in the park every day is great ecotherapy. Example 2, people say that ecotherapy can help you feel more peaceful.
Some people might wonder, how can I make sure I get 7,000 steps every day? Well, you don't need to walk long distances at once.
If you make small changes to your routine, like walking instead of driving to the store, or taking the stairs instead of the elevator, you can easily reach 7,000 steps. It's all about making walking a habit.
Also, you can make walking more fun by listening to your favorite music or a podcast. Or, walk with a friend and have a nice conversation. These little changes can help you stay motivated and make walking feel less like a task and more like an enjoyable habit.
Another way to get 7,000 steps is to go for a walk during your lunch break. Many people walk while they eat lunch or use their break time to walk around the office or park. It's a great way to get some fresh air and get those steps in.
That's a great idea. And don't forget, the more you do it, the easier it gets. Walking becomes part of your daily routine and doesn't feel like extra work. Before you know it, you'll be getting 7,000 steps without even thinking about it.
So, how do you start? Start with small steps. Maybe aim for 5,000 steps for the first week, then build up to 7,000. Take your time and remember, it's about making walking a fun and healthy part of your life.
If you have a pet, taking your dog for a walk is another great way to get steps in. Your dog will love it, and you'll feel the benefits too.
Yes, walking with a pet can be a perfect combination of exercise and bonding time. Plus, pets love getting outside just as much as humans do.
So, what's stopping you? Let's all try to walk more every day and see how it improves our health and mood.
To sum up, walking 7,000 steps a day is simple, effective, and free. It can improve your physical and mental health, reduce stress, and help you feel happier. So, let's all get moving.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you feel inspired to take more steps every day. Tell us how walking makes you feel in the comments.
Thanks for listening to BBB's 5-Minute English. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Welcome to subscribe to BBB Learning English. Learn English with you.